Welcome to my YouTube channel. Imagine hurtling down a rain-slicked motorway at dusk, the world blurring into streaks of neon, when suddenly a beast awakens beneath you, its roar shattering the silence like a thunderclap from hell. Welcome to the raw, untamed fury of the new Ford Mustang GT Fastback. What if I told you this icon, reborn for the modern age, doesn't just drive, it devours the tarmac, leaving lesser cars quivering in its exhaust fumes. Hold on tight, because this isn't your grandfather's pony car. It's a predator on wheels, poised to redefine adrenaline. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Mustang GT Fastback assaults your senses with its aggressive stance. The sculpted bonnet, flared wheel arches, and that signature tri-bar LED headlamp scream defiance, as if daring the road to challenge it. In a world of bland crossovers and electric whispers, this Mustang is a bold statement in sheet metal, painted in hues like rapid red or iconic silver that catch the light like a matador's cape. But peer closer, and the suspense builds. Is that a subtle diffuser at the rear, hinting at aerodynamic wizardry, or just a tease for the performance lurking within? Slip behind the wheel, and the drama unfolds. The cabin is a cockpit of contradictions. Luxurious yet purposeful, wrapping you in leather-trimmed seats that hug like an old flame, while the 12.4-inch digital cluster and 13.2-inch touchscreen loom like portals to another dimension. Sync 4 infotainment pulses with life, integrating Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly. But here's the shocker, amidst the tech, Ford hasn't forgotten the soul. The flat-bottom steering wheel, adorned with paddle shifters, feels alive in your grip, and the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system blasts tunes that could wake the dead. Yet, suspense lingers in the air. What happens when you twist the key, or rather, press the start button, and unleash the 5.0-liter V8? Oh, the engine, that glorious, naturally aspirated Coyote V8, now pumping out 486 horsepower and 418 pound-foot of torque in its latest guise. It's a symphony of savagery, revving to 7,500 revolutions per minute with a growl that escalates into a howl, making your spine tingle. Paired with a 10-speed automatic or the purist's delight, a 6-speed manual, it catapults you from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 4.3 seconds. But the real suspense? How it handles the twisties. The MagneRide suspension, optional but essential, adapts in milliseconds, turning pothole-riddled British B-roads into your personal racetrack. Cornering is razor-sharp, thanks to the independent rear suspension and Brembo brakes that bite like a shark. Yet, in a shocking twist, it's refined enough for motorway cruising, with active exhaust valves letting you toggle between whisper-quiet and earth-shaking modes. Drive it hard, and the Mustang reveals its dual personality. On a foggy morning commute, it's compliant, sipping fuel at around 25 miles per gallon combined if you're gentle, though who could be? But floor the throttle, and it transforms into a tire-shredding monster, the rear wheel spinning in a cloud of smoke if traction control dares to nap. The electronic line lock for burnouts? Pure mischief, perfect for track days at Silverstone. Safety features add layers of intrigue, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking ensure you survive the thrill. But beware! The fuel economy plummets to teens when pushed, a suspenseful reminder that power comes at a price, starting from around £55,000. Critics might whisper about the plasticky bits in the interior or the thirsty V8 in an eco-conscious era, but that's missing the plot. This Mustang GT Fastback isn't about efficiency, it's about emotion, a shocking rebellion against the mundane. Imagine overtaking a lorry on the M1, the V8 bellowing as you surge past, hearts racing. Or parking it in a quaint village, drawing stares like a celebrity scandal. Ford has infused it with heritage nods, the galloping horse emblem, the sequential turn signals, while future-proofing with over-the-air updates. In testing, it outpaces rivals like the BMW M2 in sheer charisma, though the German might edge it in precision. The Mustang's weight, over 1,700 kilograms, adds to the suspense on tight bends, demanding respect. Yet, with the performance pack, including larger brakes and a limited slip differential, it dances like a heavyweight boxer. Off-road? Forget it, this is tarmac territory. Ultimately, the new Ford Mustang GT Fastback isn't just a car, it's a pulse-quickening enigma. Will it bankrupt you at the pumps? Possibly. Will it make every drive an event? Absolutely. In a shocking finale, it proves that in 2026, amid EVs and hybrids, the V8 dream lives on, fiercer, faster, and more suspensive than ever. Buckle up. The ride's just beginning.